Hello, Hearties, and welcome to episode 9 of Heart Talk. And today, we are excited to introduce to you our special guest, who is the CEO of Genesis Verde Firma Agri Supply. She's talagang mukhang hindi lola. But she's a grandma of one, believe it or not. And before that, we'd like to share with you this topic. From parent to grandparent, new chapter, new joys. Episode 9 of Heart Talk. So, now, shall we call on our good friend, again, the CEO of Genesis Verde Firma Agri Supply, Miss Marilu Lau.
Hello, Hardees. Good
Ye-
afternoon.
yes. Hello, Hearties. And of course, our Gen Z talkers are here with us pa rin. We have Strong Dermal
Hello, Hardees.
and Ezekiel Dermal.
Hello, Hardees.
And, oh,
Yeah, well, I have a question to the audience. No? So write down your answers in the comments below. Totoo bang mas mahal ng grandparents ang apo kaysa sa anak? Write down your comments down below.
marami magpoprotesta dito na anak, no? Totoo daw ba na mas mahal ng mga lolo at lola ang mga anak? Agree or disagree? Okay. Now, before that, we'll be talking about from being a parent to grandparent. Before that, syempre parent ka na muna.
Yes.
Parent ka muna, Miss Malu.
Mhm.
How are you as a parent? Mahigpit ka ba? Ano ka ba? Konsentidor ka ba? Anong klase?
Honestly, Ma'am Che, as a parent, before kasi, nung we're just starting, I wasn't able to talagang take care of my children. Honestly, because parang ako, we need to start, no? Parang nag-start pa lang kami noon and always after ako sa future iniisip ko agad yung future namin At that time, we're thinking of how can we parang
Survive.
survive, 'di ba? Sustain the needs of this family. So nag-uusap
Bata
kami
ka ba?
mag-asawa.
Nag-asawa?
Mga 26, Ma'am Che, 26. Oo. And then, syempre may mga yayas,
Yeah.
that I was focused on managing the business. Yung mga businesses na pinasukan ko,
Oo.
may nabubukas, may nasasara.
Oo.
So while they were growing up, more on yung mga yayas, mga nannies ang
Mm.
nag-alaga sa kanila. But
Ilan
I'm
ba
also
ang mga
there.
anak mo?
Three boys.
Okay.
Opo.
Wala
So,
kang babae, no?
wala akong babae. But mga first few months, syempre nandun ako to take care of the baby. And then pag okay na sila, may mga yayas naman. So I leave the baby sa mga yayas. Lumaki talaga sila sa mga nannies.
Okay.
So totally different. Now kasi, yung
Oops,
sinasabi mo,
mamaya na yan. Mamaya na. So, ganun ka
Yeah.
as parent. So, at that time, talagang yaya-yaya ang ano.
Yaya, but
Hindi ko yung mom na magsistay sa
Hands-on.
house, na magluluto.
I do, Ma'am Che, if I have time. I always find time naman. Especially pag nung
Noon
nag-schooling na
to
sila. Yes,
Noon to
nag-schooling na sila, no? I make sure that I prepare their baon in the morning, then I'll go back sa sleep. Kasi iba yung time ko noon I had...
Hanggang umaga ka na
Yes, hanggang
nagtatrabaho.
umaga ako because of the business. Nagkaroon ako ng resto bar. And most of the time, uuwi ako madaling araw na.
Ang lakas daw ng resto bar na yan. Balita
yes,
ako doon
that was before. And then, those times na lagi akong busy, pag tulog ako, papasok na sila.
Oh.
Pag pauwi sila, paalis na ako going to work. So talagang, yun yung mga talagang naisip
Talagang
ko.
naging ano, no? Kung iisipin mo, talagang hindi naman naging madali yung pag-start mo, no?
Yes.
Kasi may mga
yes,
priorities ka din na dapat mo
yes,
namang
opo.
gawin at that time.
Mm.
So, how is, mothering sa tatlong lalaki?
Actually,
Mga pasaway ba sila? Or ano ba sila nung bata?
well, thank God, yung 3 boys ko naman po, mababait naman. It's just that nung lumalaki na sila, mababait sila.
Ah,
Kahit lumaki sila sa yaya because I always make sure po na sa family, we always pray. Talagang yan yung palagi ko sinasabi na baby pa lang sila, I read Bible book sa kanila.
Yeah.
No? Kahit hindi ako ganun sa Christian, I know may mga failures din ako and lackings, pero I always make sure na na-share ko talaga yung word of God sa bata pa lang sila. And then, most of the time po kasi pagka wala ako sa trabaho, I make sure na talagang gusto ko yung time namin,
Banding-banding.
banding talaga. talagang nagpa-patch talagang sabi ko lalabas tayo. Kaya lang may talagang pagkukulang. Alam ko and accepted. Alam ko naman po
Mm.
talaga ang laki na naging pagkukulang ko sa mga bata
Ano
before.
ba yung
Pero
baka
yung
akala naman nila ng mga
sa
ano ba yung pagkukulang na 'to, sa
no, no,
time ba 'to, sa time?
yung realization ko po nung
Malaki
in-stop
na
ko na
sila?
yes, medyo malaki na sila na sana mas binigyan kong time, prioritize ko yung as they grow up, nandun ako sa kanila. Though nandun naman po, I'm giving what all their needs,
Needs,
no?
oo.
Yes, but that is not enough pala. Kasi as they grow up, hinahanap din nila pala yung talagang yung time
Sinabi
na
ba nila 'yan?
yeah, may yung eldest ko. Siya kasi yung
Sinabi.
pinakamabait. Ayoko sabihin, siya yung pinakamabait.
Naku, lagot, oo.
Oo.
Sinabi
Opo.
niya?
So, lahat talagang naipamukha sa akin yung mga pagkukulang, which is, yung realization, Ma'am Che, na yung alam ko na, yung pagkukulang sinasabi ko, it's not, yung baka ma-misinterpret nila ako. I mean, talagang time is important.
Oo, oo.
Time, tsaka yung how do you parang take care of them while they're growing up. Yung kung paano mo sila talaga i-guide, yung
May
guidance.
regrets
Oo.
ka ba sa part na 'yan, sa part na 'yan?
Yes. Honestly,
Really?
yes. Opo. Pero
Mm.
hinabol ko yon nung mga sa second and third child ko, hinabol ko kasi nakita ko na while he's growing up, parang nagiging rebelde siya that time.
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng pagiging rebelde ng bata?
Oh, actually, nakikita ko na more on sa barkada siya and
Than sa'yo, yung
yes,
closeness.
yes. And noon hindi pa ako talagang full Christian noon. Siyempre parang magagalit ka, parang nandun ka lang na
Ah,
I am your mother, akong susundin mo, all of this.
ah,
Pero nung naranasan ko na yung mga gano'n, talagang and then I became a Christian, Ma'am Che, talagang lagi kong pinipray each and every day na to bless my children with a good circle of friends that will lead them sa right path. Kasi ang laking influence ng mga makakasama nila.
mm.
Although we're trying to raise them the way we want them to be, 'pag nasa labas na sila outside the world,
Hindi mo
ang
na
hirap
alam.
hindi na po natin alam kahit na kung ano man yung tinuturo natin sa kanila. And
Oo.
na kung nandun yung weakness nila, kung hindi natin iga-guide sila spiritually, letting them know that yung giving them the wisdom to know what's right from wrong, mislead ang mga anak natin.
Mm.
Yun
Ano ba
yung
yung mga challenges mo as a mom, as asawa, bago tayo pumunta sa pagiging lola mo? May mga challenges tayong dinadaanan?
a lot, a lot, a
Like
lot.
emotional, physical, social.
Physical wala naman po, emotional sobra-sobra, oo, sobra-sobra. Marami pinagdaanan, financially, tapos emotionally, yung acceptance sa, being a Filipina to married to a Chinese,
Hindi, Chinese ka
family.
naman, mukhang Chinese na Chinese.
My
Hindi,
mom is half Chinese, half Ilocana, but may mga
may ganun
gano'n.
ba sa mga Chinese? Hindi naman with all due respect gusto ko lang malaman kung
Not all, not all, but
ah,
basically siguro meron pa rin sa iba, which,
mm.
happens to.
Alright, alright. Ang bilis talaga ng oras,
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen. At for sure, marami kayong natutuhan. Buti mabilis-bilis magsalita ang guest natin ngayon. We'd like to thank our sponsors and our partners. Of course, Organic Nature, Inner Glow. Thank you so much. Yan daw ang collagen yan. Bibigyan kita mamaya. Nagpapaganda.
Oh, thank you, Ma'am
Okay.
Che. Opo.
Okay, meron din silang yung ginamit din natin na makeup, of course, is from Organic Nature. So, pagpunta niyo po sa site ng Organic Nature, purchase any product from there and just write Heart Talk, all caps na Heart Talk. Okay, and then 10% off kayo doon. All right. And also, we'd like to thank Studio C H Reverse Trio, Studio C H Reverse Serum, Studio C H Reverse Facial Foam, Studio C all-in-one cream. We'd like to thank as well Absolute Drinking Water. Meron pa rin isang water, yung
Summit.
Summit also, thank you. Both from Asia Brewery. Thank you so much. And ano pang thank you? Tolak Angin. Tolak Angin, we have this. Ininom ko kanina kasi para dito sa boses natin. Of course, Tolak Angin, mint honey herbal supplement. Okay. Meron din Tolak Angin anak for the bata. We have the Tolak Angin, the roll on, and the Tolak Angin lozenges. And my book. Okay. Please, maganda yan. Hindi sa pag-aano, maganda yan. Ginawa ko yan actually. That book, trivia lang. yan yung tipong legacy ko para sa mga anak ko. Yan ang gusto ko ibigay sa kanila. Yan yung mga pangaral na parang Haring Solomon, ano? That, yun yung pieces of advice ko to them, nilagay ko sa book.
Wow.
So, Tactical Brilliance 1 and Tactical Brilliance 2 na po tayo. So, book 2. Mga nandyan ay nilagay po natin dyan. And then, we also have Tales of Commander Mrs. Ang wife ni Chief. Ang daming thank you. Thank you, Bagong Pilipinas. Bagong Pilipinas Studios. What else? Thank you, Presidential Communications Office, and thank you, everyone. Okay.
Yes, we would also like to thank the production team. We have our team leads, Mark Anthony Maban, GR Macale. We also have our camera operators, Mark Jason Nel Alivio, John Angelo Duremdes, Jomer Esplana, AJ Bakuna, and special thanks to Miss Alicia Avila and Miss Jillian Pascual. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much po. And Strong, anything to say? Final? Before we go?
Okay, so yeah, just give everybody your respect and talk to everybody. Everyone has their own story, so if
Yeah.
you have an issue with them, just yeah, talk it through.
Well, thank you, Ma'am Che, for having me here.
Thank you so much, Miss Marilu Lau. Thank you so much, Ezekiel. Thank you so much, Strong. And of course, ayan nga pala, tungkol din sa mga grandparents natin, they have stories to tell. Sabi nga, desiderata, no?
Yeah.
Di ba, lahat na
Lahat.
mayroon pa rin sasabihin. Kaya minsan, kahit paulit-ulit na kwento, makinig lang tayo. It's not yung pakikinggan mo talaga na talagang take it here, kundi yung time na makinig tayo sa kanila is really very, very
Ano,
important.
may kasabihan, di ba? Yung papunta ka pa lang,
Ba-
pabalik. Ano yung
Oo.
pabalik na sila?
Oo, sinabi naman sa inyo yung papunta, yes, pabalik na sila. So yung mga sinasabi nila na pabalik, habang pabalik sila ay pakinggan natin yun. These are
Yeah.
words of wisdom, no?
Mm.
And naalala ko tuloy, everyone, yung verse mo no? Philippians 4:13. Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This is Cherry Marianas Dermal saying, from the heart for the soul, with open hearts, honest talks, love in every story, here on Heart
Heart
Talk.
Talk.